This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. In today's video, I am so excited because I get to unbox these little... This is Mr. Pa. Listen, if you've been with me for a minute, then you saw, obviously, my blind box journey. I love it. But I opened up one of him. I think this is the first time I ever did like a blind box shopping haul, and I fell in love with him. And I have one of the little toast guys. There's 7 different variations, but you only get 6 of them. So either you're gonna get one of the ones that like you have 1 out of 6 chances, or you get the super secret one, which is 1 out of 72 chances. So I have the toast. I don't need the toast. I'm kind of hoping that I don't get the toast, so that means I have the secret, but I don't know. So in any case, let's open these bitches up. I am so excited. Look how cute this is. Oh my God. And these are all the different little guys you can get. What I like about them is that they're like little coin purses. So that just makes things extra adorable. So let's open up the first box. He's really stuck in there. Okay. Let's open up the first box. I love Mr. Pa. Mr. Pa is a Toy City toy. He's so cute. He's a little panda bear that often is in either some costume or eating some sort of food, kind of like me. So I feel like I relate to him and I love him. So I think, well, actually the one that I really want is the crispy tempura one. So I'm hoping that this one's the crispy tempura. I feel like this is going to be the crispy tempura. I don't know. I just feel it in my gut. I forgot these are kind of see-through bags. Bitch! Crispy tempura unlocked. Okay. Yes, bitch. Oh, you are everything. Oh my God, shut the f up. Oh my God, I love him. Look at him. Okay. Oh my God, shut up, bitch. He is a little shrimp. I love him. Oh my God, I love him so much. Oh my God, I love you. I love you. All right. I love you. Okay. So we have the shrimp, the little crispy shrimp tempura. You also do get a little card. Oh, I'm sorry. This is not even a shrimp. It's just called crispy tempura. You bitch, you are a shrimp. You're a shrimp. Okay, but you do get this lovely little card here. Love that. These are so good. The quality on these are so nice. I, again, love that it's like a little change purse. You could put your AirPods in them. You could put drugs. Ah, you could put whatever the fuck you want in them. And I love that. Yay. All right, let's open up this box. Okay, I think you are going to be a Clingy Baozi? A Clingy Baozi. I don't know what the fuck that is, but that sounds fun. You're gonna be one of him. I just feel it. Oh, no. Okay, so this is the one that I already have. This is gonna go to my mom. But look how cute. Oh my God, shut up. This is the toast. Has a little strawberry. Again, cute little coin purse. You could put whatever you want in there. I love this. This is so sweet. I opened it like a monster a little bit, but whatever. My mom won't give it. So we're gonna put that back, give that to my mom. And then for those that were curious, here's your little card. Look how cute that is, right? I kind of want sushi now. I don't know why. I don't know why he doesn't look like sushi. Maybe it's the crispy tempura. Maybe I'm just hungry. Maybe I should go actually, I live in Florida. Where the fuck am I gonna find sushi? Actually, wait, dude, if you live in Florida, let me know, especially in Central Florida. Where do you go for sushi? I used to go to this one place and then I got COVID there and then I never went back. So think about that. And then sometimes I'll go to Morimoto, but like the sushi I want is only available like after 5, and to get a reservation that's like a normal dinner time and not 10 o'clock at night, like eh. Anyway, so if you live in Central Florida, let me know where you get sushi. Good sushi at that. Okay, anyway, so this one, I wanna say, this is going to be the French fry. You're gonna be the French fry. You're my French fry. I know it, I feel it. No. So, oh, sorry. I don't know what's that. I think I registered on such a frequency. Holy shit. You are the cute rice ball, and bitch, you are cute. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, look how cute he is. Oh my God, stop. Shut the fuck up. I love you. Oh my God, I love you so much. Look at that. Also, sushi people, even if you're like in Lakeland or something, I will travel for sushi, or Tampa. Tampa's kind of far. Lakeland, I'll go as far as Lakeland. Anyway, here's the little card. Look how cute he is. So cute. I love that. Oh my God. So sweet. We have 3 more boxes left. I think we are going to be the lucky sausage bun. I think this will be lucky sausage. I already looked at it and it's fries. Oh, that wasn't a fun one. I gotta remember that these are see-through, and I was like staring into the Ark of the Covenant. I was like, all right. This would have been a better reaction had I squealed like a little piglet, but I didn't, my bad. Anyway, the fries are super cute. And look at that little ass. Look at that little puff. He's cute as shit. These are so good. I'm happy that I bought the whole set of these. Yeah, I definitely needed more than just one. I needed more than one. I really love them. They're so cute. And I kind of like that they're a really good size that I could put my chapstick, I think it's, or not, who are we kidding? Ola Henriksen? Hold on, let's see. Oh, bitch. Fits perfectly. It fits like a glove in there. Oh, that's great. Okay. Oh man. I love you. There's your card. Super cute. All right. We have 2 more boxes. What we don't have so far is the Clingy Baozi and the Lucky Sausage Bun. And then of course the secret. So I feel like this is going to be the Lucky Sausage Bun. Don't look. Oh, oh this is a secret. No, it's not. Okay, first of all, I didn't realize you just close it. Oh, that's fucking cute. Okay. So, all right, here's the card. Okay. Damn it, bitch. All right, so it has like little, oh, that's so cute. It has little drawstrings. So he has a little closed top, little bow boy. That's super cute. This one though, the only thing I'll say is that it kind of gets unraveled really quickly. I don't think this will be one that I would actually use outside for that very reason. Yeah, so I probably would leave this one inside the house just so that I don't lose it or whatever I put inside of it doesn't fall out. That's my only complaint, but he is super cute though. Oh, I love him. Oh, he's so cute. He's super cute. Okay, so this is either going to be Lucky Sausage Bun or the secret. I feel like it's gonna be the Lucky Sausage Bun. Which means we weren't very lucky today. That makes me sad. Oh, he's cute though. Oh, you're a little hot dog. I can't. Shut the f up. I can't even with you. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my God, that's adorable. Ah, bitch. I love you. And then of course, here's your Lucky Sausage Bun. I want to see if I could find online what is the secret out of this one, because I don't even know. Oh, bitch, I think it's a burger. Oh, you. Oh, I want the secret. Damn it, bitch. I'm fine and happy with what I have, but I think I would have really liked the secret though. Just saying. Anyway, I wasn't particularly lucky today, but it's okay. Sometimes you win them, sometimes you lose them. I am glad that I did get the set though, because I think the set is super adorable. So claps in chat for that one. And now I'm going to be thinking about sushi. Love that for me. Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have Mr. Pa. I'm sorry, the Mr. Pa and What to Eat Today series. Let me know if you have one of them or all of them, or if you have the secret. Let me know so I can be jealous of you. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces. And I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Sorry. Bye.